Good afternoon, sir, and thank you for the opportunity that I am here today to be interviewed with you. I am Benz, and I come from a humble and hardworking background, raised by a dedicated carpenter and his loving housewife, who instilled in me the values of perseverance, discipline, and gratitude from an early age. These values shape much of who I am today. During my high school years, I supported myself as a working student. And that experiences taught me on how to manage time, adapt quickly, and stay committed, even in challenging circumstances. It also made me appreciate the value of every opportunity. In college, I pursued Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering with the same mindset. I was fortunate to be a scholar cadet under the TK and TK Foundation and God's grace, where I was not guided not only by academic expectation, but also by the core values of TK Spirit. Values that have served as my compass throughout the journey. With hard work and consistency, I became a dense lister and focused on building both competence and character. And what drives me now is the same thing that has driven me all along: the will to learn, to grow, and to honor the sacrifices of my parents that made for me. With a discipline, technical foundation, and work ethic I've built anchored in Tiki Spirit. I'm eager to take next step as an engine cadet to our company and continue growing under the guidance of seasoned professionals in the field. Thank you, sir. For that question, sir, I believe that you should hire me because I bring more than just academic knowledge. I bring real life experience, perseverance, and a strong work ethic that shaped my journey. Being a working student during my secondary years taught me how to manage responsibilities, adapt under pressure, and push through challenges without losing focus or being derailed to the path. And now that I have graduated as a scholar cadet of Tiki and Tiki Foundation, I've carried those same values moving forward. I've maintained discipline, performed well academically, and stayed committed to personal and professional growth. And these experiences taught me not to take any opportunity for granted and not to take every learnings just for granted. I may be fresh graduate, but I have the mindset of someone who knows the value of being hard work and is willing to keep on learning. And I really believe that learning is a continuous process and it is a room rather for growth. I'm ready, sir, to contribute to our company, listen, and to grow as a reliable engine cadet and eventually a competent marine engineer you can be proud of. Someday, somehow, sir.